Welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. In this one, I'm going to make it easy for you. I'm showing you 3 steps to get into me so I could show you how to make some money online. I'll make it extra money. I'm not promising you to make a lot of money, but some extra money. And I'm showing you, these are the 3 things I'm covering in this video. Number 1, I'm going to ask you a few questions. Then I'm going to share just a little bit about me, and then I'll show you the 3 steps that I'm talking about. So, the questions. Tell me the truth or tell yourself the truth. Think about this. Are you making enough money right now to pay all your bills, to take care of your monthly expenses? Think about it. Without borrowing, without using credit cards, comfortable. You know you can take care of your monthly needs without pressure, without feeling anxious. Tell the truth. Number 2, if you can take care of that, can you deal with an emergency? If something fell out of line, like this is not a regular expense, a car broke down, so a child is sick, someone died, things happen, something unexpected that's not in your budget. Can you deal with that? Okay, let's assume all that is good. We could deal with that one too. How about savings for retirement, for children education, for saving, for investment, for building a house without borrowing from the banks? Can you deal with that? I'm trying to show you that actually there is need. Because right now we are assuming everything's good, you are working. What if something happened, like it happened in my life when my husband had an accident? What if that happened? And especially if you're the only breadwinner, you are taking care of all these people depending on you. You fell sick, you lost a job. What would happen then? I'm trying to show you that we need more money. We all need more money. So after we agree, then wait for my 3 steps. Who am I? If you're seeing for the first time, I'm Sherifa Nakalema, very passionate about these topics because right now I work from home. I'm recording this at 5 a.m. in the morning. I choose to do that. I choose what time I work. I work from home. I choose everything, my schedule. But wasn't like that. My life changed one day when my husband had an accident. And I tell those stories. I ended up cleaning homes here in Virginia, USA, until I was 50 years in houses, in the nights, cleaning, until I started, you know what? Something has to change. At that time, things were not easy like now. I have spent at least 20,000 USA dollars to learn what I know right now. And I decided to learn affiliate marketing. That's what my focus was. I love it because all you have to do is promote other people's things and you get paid. Now, so that's a little bit about me, but I'm passionate because I know many people are struggling. Many people are moving from country to country, leaving their children, leaving their parents. No one is taking care of their parents because they had to go to another country. Some of you watching me, you are not in your country. You had to move. And you know, when I say this to people, especially TikTokers, they say, how come you're in USA? I was already in USA. But if I knew what I know now, and I was still in Uganda, by the way, I'm originally from Uganda, I'd be there because you can work from anywhere you choose. So what I'm showing you now, what you could do, you can do it without showing your face. Some of you want to be faceless, without using social media, without using a computer. If you don't have a computer, you could even use your language. You don't have to speak the English. You could even, the easiest thing you can do, all you need is your phone and me guiding you, showing you how to do this. So I'm going to step number 3, which I said 3 steps. Okay, number 3, 3 steps. How are we going to do this? How do we get to this extra money? We are going to this extra money on a platform called Skool. You see, I wear these t-shirts because I said, you have to know about Skool because it's made everything easy. Everything I spent thousands of dollars learning is all in one place. Setting up funnels, setting up email automations, doing all these things. You don't need them. Buying domains, using to create a website. You don't need any of that. Please listen to me. This is the best thing that's happening right now on the internet. So 3 steps. Number 1, you have to get on the platform. You can't be in a Facebook group without being on Facebook. You can't be in a WhatsApp group without being on WhatsApp. So you have to be in my community, because that's where I want you to go. You have to first get on the platform. So I have a link below in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment. Click it and go to the platform. It's going to ask you for your name and your email, and then it sends you a code on your email to be able to register on the platform. That's the step number 1. Step number 2, you're going to see that you get to my community. That will be like a group, like a WhatsApp group or a Facebook group, right? They call them communities. So get to that, and you see that I'm also asking you to join. I only have a video there. Even if you don't watch it, just find the join group. Click on that. I ask you for a few questions. What do you want? You want to do this or this? Choose one, and then I'm asking for an email now, but that's optional. You decide if you want to give it to me or not. This time it's me asking. Please don't use anything fake. Remember, we're about to make money. So you have to use your real name, and because the next thing to do inside, you're asking for your bank account. That's where they send the money. So please, nothing fake. Your real self, your good email, your real name, that's all you use, okay? So step number 2 was you join my community. And once you join, I think right now I made it even automated that you're allowed in, but I keep switching it. Sometimes it needs approval, but as I'm recording this one, it's automated. So once you are inside, please find my name, send me a message. That's step number 3. Send me a message, because when I make them so many steps, you get lost. So I made it simple. Send me a message. My Zooms are paid, but I'll make it free for you one time. One time it will be free. Send me a message and say, I'm here. Okay, the system automatically sends you a message to welcome you, but make sure you are sending me, you're responding to it and asking for a Zoom, a free Zoom that I'm promising you right now. It's free for you. Normally I charge $50 an hour, but it's free for you one time. The reason I want to this Zoom, I don't want to force anything on you. I want to talk to you one-on-one to see where you're comfortable. Maybe you want faceless, maybe you want, but what I'm suggesting that the way you make the money, either you're going to start a community or you're going to just make money in my own community. So I will need to know which one is good for you, and I'm going to advise you according to your situation. Please, 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 if you have to watch this video again, watch it again. 3 steps. Start by joining Skool. Click the link to join Skool, the platform. Make sure you find the code. They send you a code. It will be in your email. Use it to join. If you get lost, figure out a way to get to me. Either to leave a comment right here. In fact, leave it here. It's be easier for me, because sometimes there's so many messages. So leave it on this video. Say, I can't find the code or something. Save this video. I'll communicate. I'll make sure I'll respond to you and advise you appropriately. Even if it means me sharing my WhatsApp number, I'll do it, but you have to put some effort to find me. Okay, so assuming everything goes well, come to get to Skool, get to my community, send me a message. That's the part that most people forget. They join the community and forget. No, send me a message. You'll see that when you just tap on it, it says chat, but already you have a message from me automatically, so respond to it. Make sure you get on Zoom with me. Then I'm going to either see if your situation requires starting a community, or I show you how to promote. I will pay you 40% commissions. Or the next step is interesting. All you have to do is maybe chat with some people. I'll show you how to do it. Then you add your bank account. If you make some money, it's sent to you by Skool. Please, please, please. Let's do this. Don't put this off. Don't just watch this video and move on. Watch it again if you need to. If you feel this is relevant to you, share with someone else. Share with someone else. This is international. I feel like crying when I talk about this, because you're not taking an action. Okay, please do it. If you want to watch more about this Skool I've been talking about a lot, watch the next video. I'm putting the next video right here. And then also go to my community and to my YouTube channel and see all the videos I've been recording. If you want to know more about me, but please take action. Better you come, because I'll know which video to suggest to you to watch more. If you want to watch more, I know the right video to share with you. Get to me. That's the message of this one. Like I always end them, I say, take very good care of yourself. take very good care of your families, take very good care of your health, take very good care of your finances by taking steps to connect with me. 3 steps. Click link below on the description or in the pinned comment. Then get to my community and then get to me. Send me a message, okay? Take a step to a better you. Bye-bye.